Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie and today we're going to learn the basics of flat weave herringbone stitch. To keep this simple, I'm going to use some size 8 seed beads, some size B Nymo thread, a size 10 beading needle, and a pair of scissors. Alright, to start off we're going to start with the ladder stitch, so I'm picking up 4 beads. I'm gonna bring the thread down and leaving about, I'd say about a 6 or 8 inch tail just so you can weave in the ends comfortably. All right, bring your needle back up through all 4 seed beads. And we're gonna pull until the seeds lay side by side, so in rows of 2. And then you're going to go back up the first 2 seed beads. And then back down the next 2 seed beads. This will secure the row. Alright, so we're going to add 2 more seed beads. And I'm going to go down these 2 seed beads. And then back up the ones we just put on. And then I'm going to go back down these 2 seed beads to the left and back up. That's just to secure it and make it tight. All right, add 2 more seed beads. Go back up this way. And back down this way. Okay, then I'm going to secure this section. We're going to be going back through these beads quite a bit, so I like to have them secure so they don't become loose and unraveled. All right, pick up 2 beads, go this way. Back up. Now we need an even number, so depending on how wide you want your project to be, they always have to be in sets of 2. And when you tangle your thread, just run your needle back up and pull, and try not to tighten it up too much. All right, so we're gonna go back up these beads. Add 2 more beads. Go back up through. And down. Now we're going to secure it, and we're going to go back up and down one more time. Now you're going to see we have 6 rows going across, and I'm going to flip my work and add 2 seed beads. And I'm going to go down into the second bead. You'll see that they lay kind of catty-cornered, and then we're going to go up the next bead. Add 2 seed beads and go down the next one. You're going to go up the next bead. Add 2 beads. Go down the last one. I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to go around from the back, around this row, and I'm going to tie a half hitch knot. And then I'm going to go up the 2 seed beads on the side. This is the start of our herringbone stitch. So looking good. We're going to add 2 beads. This time we're going to go down and up through these 2 beads. Add 2 beads. Go down and up through the next 2 beads. Pull tight and add 2 more beads. And go down the last one. Turn your work. Okay, and you're starting to see the pattern. Now we're going to go down. You're going to see a thread going across, go from the back, go through and under that thread and pull, and then back up the next 2 beads. We're going to do this with every row just to secure it and put our thread needle back in place. All right, add 2 more beads. Go down and up through the next 2 beads. 2 more beads. Down and up through the next 2 beads. And sometimes I like to turn my work here and get out of frame, sorry. Okay, and go down this bead. Okay, we're gonna go under the thread bridge and through from the back. And back up through the 2 beads on the side. Okay, looking good. Alright, we're going to add another row, so add 2 beads, go down and up through the next 2 beads. 2 beads. Down and up. 2 beads. Gonna turn my work. Go down through the last one. Okay, from the back, go through the thread bridge and back around. And back up. And you'll see 3 different columns. Each one, they won't be connected at the top, but as we go along, we connect each one together that way. Okay, and now we're going to add on a different color. So I got some blue here, and we're going to make sure that we're up at the top. And we're going to add 2 blue beads. Go through the next 2. Add 2. Go up and down through the next 2. Add 2. And go down through the last one. And I usually like to turn my work at this point just to make it easier to hold. Alright, so we're going to go back through that thread bridge and back up. Okay, I'm going to add 2 more beads. Go down and up through the next 2 beads. Add 2 beads. Go down and up through the next 2 beads. Add 2 beads. And go down through the last one and turn my work. Okay, we're going to do our turnaround. And back up. You can see that this is repetitive, so with each color you add on, you just do the same thing. So you go down, add 2 beads, go down and up through the next 2. And then add 2 beads and go down through the last one and turn your work. And then we're going to go ahead and go through the thread post, pull it, and go through the up through these 2 beads. Okay, yes, looking good. You see, this is really simple. You just add 2 beads, go down, then up through the next 2 beads, and you just carry on. And once you get used to doing this, then you can do different patterns too. These look great. Alright, so I've got 4 more beads on. Now I'm going to switch to green. So we're going to do the same thing. Add 2 beads, go down and up through the next 2 beads. Then we'll loop back around. And you'll find that this piece will be very flexible and flat, just kind of like a fabric ribbon almost. Add the 2 beads and then go back around. Always catching under that thread bridge. That just tightens up the row and makes it secure. Alright, so I'm going to do 2 more rows of this green. And again, this isn't an actual project, it's just a sample piece, just to show you how to do it. Okay, so we're going to go back around under that thread bridge, back up. And we're going to do 1 more row. Two more beads. And down. And we're going to go ahead and loop around and go back up. And back up. And next I'm going to show you how to tie off your thread in case you need to change threads. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go down these beads right here, and I'm going to go down through about 4 of them. Then I'm going to loop back around under the thread bridge, and I'm going to tie a 1/2 hitch knot. Then I'm going to go down a few more beads. And we'll go back down through and tie another 1/2 hitch knot. And we'll go back down a few more beads. And trim the thread. And I like to do 2 sets of 1/2 hitch knots. I think that's plenty. Okay, and next I'm going to show you how to tie in a thread, because you're going to have to do this anyway, so might as well know how to do it. Alright, so I'm going to go up a few beads. Make sure I have a little bit of tail and hold on to it. Then we're going to loop back through, making sure to get under the thread bridge. Tie a 1/2 hitch knot. Back up a few beads. And tie another 1/2 hitch knot. And back up to the top. So that's how you do it, and you do the tail thread the same way, weaving it in with a couple of half hitch knots. And that's the basics of herringbone stitch. Next week I'm going to go ahead and create a project for you, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comments down below. May creativity be your guide.